That's how my car is just covered with snow this morning. You know, this snow has continuously. Oh my goodness, this is not acceptable. It has been like that for almost how many days now? Look at my car, all covered with snow. This is my car covered with snow this morning. You know, my car all covered with snow this morning. Huh? This is not really acceptable. You know, this is not acceptable. You know, look at this snow. It's continuing like it's not giving any break at all. Look at this. look, and it's still. Oh my goodness, my eyes are covered with snow this morning. Oh my goodness. I wonder the journey today will be. I wonder how it's gonna be. Oh my goodness. This is not really acceptable. And they say it's gonna last for how many hours today? Oh gosh, this is terrible. It's terrible. It's not giving at all. It's not giving. The weather is not giving. Oh, it's not giving. It's not acceptable. Look at that. Everywhere covered with snow. Covered with snow this morning. It's not giving at all. Wow, and look at these lovely birds in the snow. Look at 4 of them. Oh, there's so many of them actually. There's one the other side. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh wow, what are they looking for? Look at these lovely birds. What's the name of these? Are they pigeons or something, or just ordinary birds? It is freezing cold here. You know, the snow is not, weather is not smiling at all. It's snowing heavily here. And look at these birds. It looks like they're enjoying the snow. Look at them. Aren't they lovely? They all look lovely. Enjoying the snow here. Hello, birds. Hello, birds. Are you not cold? It looks like they're really loving this weather, to be honest. You know, I don't want them to deceive me. If they see me now, they will all fly away. Lovely birds. Let me see. Let me zoom it a little bit more. Look at that one. It's moving away. Come on, birds. Are you not cold? Are you not feeling cold as well? It's snowing and all of you are outside there. Look at this one, is moving away. Wow, there are so many of them here actually. Look at this one there. Looks like they're looking for food or something. Look at that one there. Look. Hello, birds. Hello. Look at this. Where are you going? Look at them. Where are you going? It's snowing. It's still snowing, guys. I'm talking to the birds. Oh wow, they look so lovely. These ones are quite big. They are really, really big birds. I'm just videoing them from somewhere. If they see me, they will all fly away, to be honest. I promise that. Look. Oh my God. Oh, so lovely. Lovely birds. The funniest thing is that it's heavily snowing and, and very cold. And look at how comfortable they are. Oh, I love this site. I love this site. I just said, let me show you guys what I'm seeing in the snow. Although the snow is clearing away now, because it's almost going to 9:30 or so. So it looks like it's clearing. Yes, the birds are having fun. Oh, they all fly away. See, I think they've seen me.